It was another rainy night in DeWitt, Nebraska. Crimes against tools don't stop on account of the rain. We confiscated another Saturday night special. Don't these kids know you can get hurt playing around with counterfeit vice grips? Something about this one was different. They didn't even bother to file off the patent number. The markings looked legit. Vice Grip, DeWitt, Nebraska, USA. But that upper jaw, it wasn't right. Hey guys, you know I like to keep an eye out for unusual vice grips. At first glance, this looks like a regular pre-release lever Petersen, but take a look at the upper jaw. You see that gap in between the jaw and the upper handle? Yeah, that goes all the way around. Now, normally, on a straight jaw vice grip, the upper jaw is secured by welding or brazing it at the seam, but on this one, that didn't happen. So how is the jaw secured? When we take a look at the other side, there's a circular recess where a pin has been pressed through, and then up on top, you can see where the pin goes all the way through, and it was plug welded in place. This is a most unusual way to secure the upper jaw. You'd think the extra machining cost for drilling the hole, plus the cost of the pin itself, would be more expensive than just welding around the seam. And as far as I can tell, this is a genuine vice grip. It's got the vice grip branding stamped onto it, with the DeWitt, Nebraska and USA. Then over here you can barely make out the patent number. This would be the April 14th, 1942 patent. And then below that we've got a partial date, April 1, which is likely referring to the April 14th date. And below it I can only make out other. I believe it's supposed to say other patents pending. So assuming this is genuine, that dates it to after 1942. It's missing the vice grip shaking hands logo up top, which I believe they started stamping on them in the 1950s. So it's probably early 40s to maybe early 50s production. Maybe it's a World War II model. A lot of companies did weird stuff during the war to speed up production. So maybe the vertical pin in the jaw was a speed-saving measure and not a cost-saving one. Or maybe it's a rare prototype model. Or it could be a counterfeit. Vice Grip did have people counterfeiting their pliers back then. Let me know in the comments if you've come across one of these before. I've probably bought and sold hundreds of these things over the years, and I've never seen one with a jaw attached that way. At least, not an American-made one. Wait, I think I've seen this before. Operator, get me England. Anyone in England. No, you don't have to actually connect me to anyone. It's just for a parody outro segment to preview an upcoming video. Oh, okay, thanks. See you later. Bye.